Hello guys, good evening all of you.
Evening, sir.
Hello Sanchit.
Yes, sir.
Why did you raise the hand?
No, sir. That was in previous class by mistake, I raised, sir.
Okay. All right, one text question. Show how each of the following compounds.
So, what's the in-text question number, sir?
Question number 12.7. Show how each of the following compounds can be converted to benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. The first one is ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. So convert that one ethyl benzene to benzoic acid. So which reagent we have to use? Required reagent to convert ethyl benzene to benzoic acid. C2H5 converted to benzoic acid. So C2H5 changes to acid group. What is the reagent required here? Tell me, Kushi. Harsh?
Sir, KMNO4, sir.
What?
Sir, KMNO4 and KOH with heat.
KMNO4 in KOH
With heat.
with heating.
Heat. Yes.
Okay. Second one, acetophenone. Acetophenone. C double bond O C. This is acetophenone. Convert this to benzoic acid. Rachna? Tejashwini? What is the reagent required to convert acetophenone to benzoic acid? Sharath?
Yes, sir.
What is the reagent required to convert acetophenone to benzoic acid? Same process we have to carry out. KMnO4 in KOH on heating, then followed by hydrolysis. It gives benzoic acid. So when benzene is attached to any alkyl groups, any phenone groups, or even alkenes also, we can convert to benzoic acid first treating with KMnO4, KOH, and then directly heating, or you can do acid hydrolysis. Gives benzoic acid. Okay, then next one, bromobenzene. Bromobenzene, we have to convert to benzoic acid. So this is actually a two steps process. I think yesterday already we did this one. Bromobenzene to benzoic acid. First, react bromobenzene with magnesium metal in dry ether. It gives this. Grignard reagent is formed. Further react with the carbon dioxide. Gives MgX. On hydrolysis, benzoic acid is produced. Last one, phenyl ethene or styrene.
So the third one is from Grignard's reagent, sir.
Yes. First, we are converting bromobenzene to Grignard reagent. Then treated with carbon dioxide. Here one carbon is extra, no? So to increase the number of carbons, we are reacting with carbon dioxide. Phenyl ethene or styrene. This is 2 benzoic acid. Reagent required is any kind of carbon chain is there when we treat with KMnO4 in KOH, followed by acid hydrolysis, gives benzoic acid. Next, physical properties of carboxylic acids. Here, carboxylic acids which having the low number of carbon atom, that is from C1 to C9. So carboxylic acid which are obtained from C1 to C9 of carbon, they exist as a liquids at room temperature. And these are unpleasant smell. If carboxylic acid which having more than 9 carbon atoms, those are existing as a solid substance. So they're nothing but wax, solid waxy substances. And these having higher boiling point than, don't write my later, I'll give notes. Aldehydes or ketones and even alcohols. When generally alcohols having higher boiling point compared to aldehydes and ketones, but here carboxylic acid having higher boiling point than even alcohols because of extensive hydrogen bonding. So, see, it's hydrogen bonding or C double bond O bond OH here, or C double bond O OH. So here dimer is formed. So these are the hydrogen bonds. So in between carboxylic acid molecules, very strong hydrogen bonds exist compared to alcohols. Here more number of hydrogen bonds are exist. That's what carboxylic acid having higher boiling point than alcohols. And even in vapor phase also, carboxylic acid molecules exist as a dimer only. And not all, few molecules exist in dimer. That's what it having higher boiling point. And then solubility. Lower member of carboxylic acid, so which contain up to 4 carbon atoms. Carboxylic acids which are made by C1 to C4. Those are easily soluble in water. But if number of the carbon atoms increases, solubility decreases. Because even these carboxylic acids are soluble in water because of forming hydrogen bond with water. Here hydrogen bond exists even. Here also hydrogen bond exists. Because of hydrogen bonding, carboxylic acid is also soluble in water, but that is up to C4 carbon. If number of carbon atoms increases, solubility decreases. And these carboxylic acids are easily soluble in organic solvents. Okay, that's all about physical properties. Aliphatic carboxylic acids. Up to 9 carbon atoms. Up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless liquids at room temperature. with unpleasant odor. Next, higher acids are wax-like solids, carboxylic acids are higher boiling liquids, than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols of comparable molecular masses. This is due to extensive hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acids. Most carboxylic acids exist as dimer in the vapor phase or in the aprotic solvent. So after writing this point, write a dimer of carboxylic acid. Dimer. Are in aprotic solvents.
Sir,
Tell me.
so their OH is to R or C, sir? Should B to C, no?
Where?
OH, sir, yes, please.
Wait, just wait. This is R bond, C double bond O. No, wait. R, C double bond O. This is OH. Yeah, this is correct. Oh, then here, just a minute, man. Don't draw, wait. OH, this side double bond O. Then about solubility. Simple aliphatic carboxylic acids having up to 4 carbon atoms. Having up to 4 carbon atoms are miscible in water. Due to the formation of hydrogen bond with water. For example, OH Carboxylic acids are soluble in less polar organic solvents. Like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Okay, next subheading, chemical reactivity.
The advantage is the last line I didn't write.
Right. So here first one, reaction with metals and alkalis. Acidic character of alcohols and phenols we tested with reaction with metals. Suppose alcohols or phenols when reacted with the metals or even with the bases, they can produce hydrogen gas. So any acid, not only those alcohols and phenols, if we take some HCl, this is treated with sodium metal, it gives NaCl and hydrogen gas is released. So if hydrogen gas is produced when something substance is react with the metal, then the substance we are calling it is an acid. So same procedure here also followed. In case of alcohol also, when we react with sodium metal, it forms C2H5ONA and H2 gas is released. Alcohol, phenols also. Phenol reacted with sodium metal, it forms the sodium phenoxide and releasing hydrogen gas. So the hydrogen gas is released. It refers these substances are somewhat acidic in nature. That's why hydrogen gas is released when reacted with metal. Same carboxylic acids also, it reacts with the metals and releases hydrogen gas. So it is clear from that. Carboxylic acids are, in name itself it is there, these are acidic in nature. And carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. I think already I gave you order. Phenol are more acidic than water, than alcohols. But now carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols, water and alcohols. Because these alcohols, phenols are able to react with only strong bases. They won't react with a weak bases. But carboxylic acids are able to react with weak bases also, and they can produce carbon dioxide gas. So this refers carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. This reaction only used to distinguish carboxylic acids and phenols. We first see the reactions. Carboxylic acid reacting with the sodium metal. It forms 2RCOONA and hydrogen gas is released. This is the salt, sodium salt. Even carboxylic acid able to react with the sodium hydroxide. Neutralization reaction takes place. Salt and water is produced. And this is important reaction. Carboxylic acid when treated with a sodium bicarbonate. Generally, if we take here phenols, alcohols, they won't react with sodium bicarbonate. This is strong acid with a strong base. Sodium hydroxide is strong base. With strong base, alcohols, phenols reacts. But with weak base, alcohol, phenols, they won't react. Only carboxylic acids reacts. COONA, H2O, and carbon dioxide. So this reaction is used for the identification of carboxylic acid group in a given organic sample. Okay, first write reactions. Carboxylic acids like alcohols, evolve hydrogen gas. With electropositive metals. And form salt with alkalis. Similar to phenols. Unlike phenols, These react with weak bases or carboxylic acids. React with weak bases. Such as carbonates and bicarbonates.
Sir, unlike phenols, carboxylic acids.
Put comma.
That's carboxylic acid, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. Unlike phenols, after that it's, what is it, sir?
Carboxylic acids. Carbonates and bicarbonates. To evolve carbon dioxide. To evolve carbon dioxide. This reaction is used to detect the presence of carboxylic group. This reaction used to detect presence of carboxyl group. Okay. Next, carboxylic acid dissociate in water. Carboxylic acids dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate anions and hydronium ion. The carboxylic acid in water. So carboxylic acid donate hydrogen atom to H2O. So this becomes H3O plus. So actually reversible process. And this becomes to RCOO minus. But this one exists as a resonance stabilized ion. RC double bond O and O minus. This one. So again, this is involving in forming pi bond. This bond is shifted to oxygen side. So this is the resonance hybrid. Okay, now see small explanation why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Don't write, just like that. Phenol. If it loses H plus, it forms phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion undergoes resonance. Resonance stabilized structures are giving. Double bond O plus, here minus, pi bonds. Here negative charge. So these three are the resonance stabilized structure of phenol. So in this phenoxide ion, the more electronegative element is actually oxygen, right? Compared to carbon atoms, more electronegative element is oxygen. But in their resonance structures, oxygen is carrying positive charge, carbons are carrying negative charge. That's what. This is a less stable species compared to carboxylate ion. Here, in carboxylate ion, This is a resonance stabilized structure. Observe these two structures. The negative charge, electron density is moving only on oxygen atoms only, either this position or this position, but oxygen atom only, not on carbon. But in these resonance structures, negative charge is electron density is maximum on carbon atom than oxygen atom. That's what, compared to this phenoxide ion, carboxylate ion is more stable. Obviously, this is more acidic than this species. And next comparison with the mineral acids, phenols, alcohols, and water. Mineral acids are highly acidic. Mineral acids like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, phosphoric acid. These are highly acidic substances. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4, HClO4, and H2CrO4. So these are highly acidic substances. We are calling those are mineral acids. So these are highly acidic. Then carboxylic acids. After phenols. Then water. Least is alcohols. So in the given organic substances, more acidic substances are carboxylic acids only. Okay. And if carboxylic acids are attached to electron withdrawing groups, their acidic character increases. Here carboxylate ion. Suppose this is attached to electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group like cyanides, NO2, any electronegative element, high electronegative element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Yes. Suppose this kind of species are attached to carboxylate ion, those are highly acidic. Then electron donor groups. Electron donor groups are mostly alkyl groups like methyls, ethyl, isopropyls, any alkyl chain, or electron donor groups, alkoxy groups. If these groups are attached to acid functional group, their acidic character decreases. If electron withdrawing groups are attached, its acidic character increases. Okay, note down these points. So in board level and in CET level also, this kind of questions are asking, arrange the given compounds in the increasing order of acidic character, increasing order, decreasing order. That is based on this one, electron withdrawing groups, electron donor groups. Carboxylic acids are weaker acids than mineral acids. But they are stronger acids than phenol alcohols, Next, electron withdrawing groups. Increase the acidity of carboxylic acids. Increase the acidity of carboxylic acids. By stabilizing the conjugate base. Conjugate base through delocalization of the negative charge. Through delocalization of the negative charge. By inductive or resonance effect. Conversely, electron withdrawing groups, electron donor groups, electron donate groups decrease the acidity by destabilizing the conjugate base. Conjugate base. Electron withdrawing group attached to COO. Electron withdrawing group strengthens the acid. Electron donor group weakens the acid. Okay, next. Acidic strength of few compounds. So highly acidic substance CF3COOH, more acidic than CCl3COOH. You know, fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, no? So CF3COH is more acidic than CCl3COH, and then CHCl2COH. Next one. CH2COH, it is attached to NO2 group. Then CH2COH attached to cyanide group. So that is further more acidic than CH2COH. It having only one fluorine atom now. Oh, it's Cl. Br. Then formic acid. Chlorine. More acidic than benzoic acid. You can write here 3 compounds, aromatic carboxylic acids. OCH3. This is just benzoic acid. This is a para-nitrobenzoic acid. This is 1, 2, 3. Its a pKa value also given. pKa is 4.46. This pKa 4.19. This one 3.41. So which is more acidic substance? Chirag. Dhanush?
Sir, it's 3.
Yeah, 3 is more acidic. Benzoic acid is attached to NO2 group. NO2 group is here electron withdrawing, no? So it is a more acidic. Next. Which one?
2, sir.
Yeah, 2. List is 3. 1. List is 1 because it having a electron donor group. So its acidic character decreases. Right one problem 12.8. Which acid of each pair shown here would you expect to be stronger? The first pair is CH3COOH or CH2FCOOH. Which is more acidic? Sharath.
Sir, CH2FCOH.
Yeah. So here electron withdrawing atom is there, fluorine. So more acidic is CH2FCOOH. The next pair CH2FCOOH and CH2ClCOOH. Which is more acidic?
The CH2FCOH.
CH2F, yeah, first one only because same formula here F is there, here chlorine. Fluorine is more electronegative, so this is more acidic. CH2F, CH2, CH2, COOH or CH3, CHF, CH2, COOH. Both having same formula, but difference is only position of fluorine atom. In this molecule, Acyl group second carbon, this CH2 third carbon, fourth carbon is attached to fluorine atom here. So for conveniently you can write F here. Fourth carbon attached fluorine. But in this molecule, first, second, third carbon is attached to fluorine atom. So if electron negative, in this case, both having same formula, if electron withdrawing group is closer here, so that's what this is a more acidic than this substance. So highly acidic one is CH3, CH, CH2, COH, this one. Electron withdrawing group is closer to the acid group. Benzoic acid which is attached to CF3 or benzoic acid attached to CH3. What is the answer? Anjali, which is more acidic? In fourth one.
CF3.
Very good.
COH.
CF3. Correct. This is electron donor group, but this is electron withdrawing group. So this is more acidic. So second, this first one is acidic character. Chemical reaction with metals and acidic character is first reactivity. Second point is formation of anhydrides. Carefully see the reaction. Here when carboxylic acids are heated in presence of mineral acids such as concentrated H2SO4 or phosphorus pentoxide, there is a loss of water molecule takes place and gives anhydrides. First I'm writing chemical reaction, observe. This is carboxylic acid and here taking another carboxylic acid plus so R dash C double bond O OH. This is in presence of H2SO4 or phosphorus pentoxide on heating. Here loss of water molecule takes place. So from this acid group OH is lost. From this acid group H lost. So otherwise from this OH, from here H. So overall loss of H2O, only oxygen is left. From here water molecule is lost. So minus H2O. R C double bond O, but one oxygen is left here. H2O is lost, one oxygen is left. So O that is linked to further C double bond O and R dash. So this is anhydride. Right. Carboxylic acids. On heating with mineral acids, such as H2SO4 or with phosphorus pentoxide, gives corresponding anhydrides. Write one example. Take benzoic acid. Benzoic acid plus propanoic acid, C2H5, C double bond O, OH. So right product in presence of H2SO4, heating. Okay, right product for this reaction. The second one, next reaction is esterification. Formation of ester from carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids are esterified. With alcohols or phenols. In the presence of a mineral acid. Such as concentrated H2SO4, or HCl gas as a catalyst. This reaction already came in alcohols chapter. There are alcohols reacting with carboxylic acids and giving esters. But here carboxylic acid reacting with alcohols giving esters. Same reaction. Carboxylic acid plus alcohols. So this is acid catalyzed reaction. So here there is a loss of water molecule. From here OH lost, from here hydrogen lost. So RCOOH. So RCOOR dash or plus H2. Examples. Reacting acetic acid CH3COOH plus alcohol is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. So here loss of water molecule takes place. So from here OH, from here hydrogen is lost. And the left is CH3 C double bond O. And here O C2H5 is remaining. O C2H5. So name is ethyl ethanoate. Next example, benzoic acid reacting with methanol. Here also this OH, here hydrogen is lost. Remaining is benzene with C double bond O. Bond. This oxygen is linked to C double bond O and CH3. So this is methyl benzoate. Plus H2. Okay, see, next week I will conduct one test on alcohols, phenols, and ethers chapter. Here, before writing test, I will give you 1 week time. Next Wednesday, you submit this assignment work. Here, example questions and in-text questions. Example questions, 6 questions are there. In text questions, 12 questions.
So for what did they given this question, sir?
What?
For what,
Oh,
sir?
learn. This all question learn and write in papers without seeing and submit me. I will give you 1 week time. On Wednesday, next week Wednesday, you have to submit this question along with here exercise questions are there. Exercise question, 22 questions are there. So these all questions. You no need to write a question, just give the question number. But with this question is exercise or in text or example, first indicate that and give question number. Write answers on paper without seeing. Learn first, then write on paper, submit me.
Sir, on Google Class, sir?
Yeah, Google Classroom. So after that, I will conduct one test. See guys, this is a high weightage chapter, these 2 alcohols, phenols, ethers, and this chapter, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. This year we may expect nearly 20 marks from these 2 chapters. Board, I'm talking about board. Because nearly 3 chapters are completely reduced, and from other chapters, some portion also reduced. That's what for this chapter is giving high weightage. So complete this. Is it 1 week time enough? Hello? So if you write daily 10 questions also, you can complete 22, 12, 34, 40 questions. If you do daily 10 questions, you can complete within 4 days. Learn and without seeing, write on papers and submit me on Wednesday. And next week, Thursday, I will conduct test. Question and answers.
Okay,
And in
sir.
the same week, Saturday, I will conduct one CET test also. Okay. You guys, thank you.
Thank you, sir.